I'm Bill DeFoy, and you're watching In the Community. Visiting with me right now is Miguel Lopez, and he's running for mayor here in the city of Oxnard. We're standing outside of the Oxnard City Hall chambers, and Miguel, good to have you with us. Can you just perhaps give us a synopsis as to why you are running for mayor?
Certainly, I think it boils down to one thing, and that is to restore trust and leadership, not only in the office of the mayor, but throughout City Hall. You know, there are a number of challenges that the city is facing right now, from infrastructure to staffing, quite frankly, to even creating a bit of a hostile or unfriendly environment for businesses. I'll tell you that we really need to be able to bring folks together, really reach out to residents in every pocket of the city, north, south, east, and west, and get people involved, not only in our democratic system of government here, but quite frankly, to come out and vote on November 8th.
And if people wanted more information, Miguel, about getting involved with the campaign, finding out more about your qualifications, how can they do that?
Certainly. I encourage people to visit our website at www.miguellopezformayor.com, as well as liking us on our social media platforms. We have a Facebook page at Miguel Lopez for Oxnard Mayor, as well as a Twitter, Instagram, and any other social media site that you have. You could also visit us at our campaign headquarters, which is just across the street from where I'm standing now at 328 3rd Street, here in the corner of C and 3rd. We're typically there every afternoon and into the evening, and we're going to be organizing a big volunteer weekend for October 1st and 2nd. So if you're interested, please stop by. You can visit us on the web or simply send me an email at miguellopezforoxnard@gmail.com.
I'm Bill DeFoy. Thank you, Miguel. You've been watching In the Community, a production of the Heritage Media Group.